Hello children, welcome to the bridge course topic family, and in this video let us discuss about the part 2 of the same topic. In previous video we have learnt that there are two types of families. They are nuclear family and a joint family, and we have learnt that a family consisting of a mother, a father, and their children is known as a nuclear family, isn't it? Here we can observe that only two generations live together, as we can see in this picture, that a father, a mother, and their children, isn't it? And also we have learnt that about joint family. Like we can say that especially in India, an extended family, okay, an extended family is nothing but a large family. Typically, it means normally consisting of three or more generations. Here we can see that a grandparents, their sons, and granddaughters. Okay, in this picture we can see that three generation people are living together, isn't it? So we can say that an extended family typically consisting of three or more generations and their spouses, means their wives, living together as a single household. Okay, and we have discussed in previous video about advantages of joint family and nuclear family. In simple words, we can say that joint family or nuclear family, we can adjust in both the situations, but depending upon the facilities what we have, isn't it? And but in this video let me discuss about disadvantages of nuclear family and joint family. In a joint family, we can say that as a large family, everyone has to live in a limited space. Yes, it's like a adjusting life. Okay, as a large family, everyone has to live in a limited space. We cannot say that if the members of the family increase, then we have to build a. We cannot increase the space for living. So here what happens? As a large family, everyone has to live in a limited space. Okay, it means we have to adjust. High earning members often insult the low earning members. Suppose in one of a joint family, there is a person, there is a person who has highly educated and he has got a good job, then he will definitely insult a brother who is not so educated and who is not earning. Okay, suppose they both are earning equally, then there is no problem. Okay, everyone has an equal share to lead a life, to lead a family there. But here most of the times we see that high earner, the member who is earning high, they insult the low earning members. For kids, the study environment is hard to make as they spend most of time in playing. Yes, we can say that in a joint family, there will be many grandchildren, okay, together living. Their mood will not make up to study. It's because they spend most of the time in playing. I hope most of you are facing the same issue. Next, jealousy is also very common in people when they are living under one roof. Yes, jealousy is something which is not liked of someone. Okay, what take it you say, isn't it? The same thing. Jealousy is also very common in people when they are living under one roof. Suppose everything is shared equally, then there is no point of jealousy. But it happens, there arises a problem. Okay, because not all the fingers are same of a hand. Okay, every finger is different in its size and even the shape. In the same way, everyone's mentality will not be same in one of the family, in one family. So it is a common, jealousy is a very common in people when they are living under one roof. It's very difficult for a person to keep privacy in joint family system as all people are living together. Here privacy is nothing but a closeness of a family. Okay, here what it's very difficult for a person to keep privacy in joint family system as all people are living together. It may be in case of economically also. Okay, suppose a man who is earning more money, he may think that it's not safe to be among this group. Okay, let me divide. Okay, let me go and settle down in another place. That mindset comes naturally. Okay, sometimes it may be a any insulting any other issues also, even adjusting issues, whatever it is. Okay, next, disadvantages of nuclear family are: the nuclear family is more likely to become isolated from their extended family members. Here we can see that what the love they used to share when everyone lived together in a single roof, the same mindset will not be there when that family get isolated from the extended family members. Okay, if once they divide, the mindset will goes off. Okay, they think that they think only about their wife and children. Okay, and they are not bothered about any other member. Okay, however they are isolated, isn't it? Next, the feeling of safety and security is lacking among the members of nuclear family. The feeling of safety and security is lacking among the members of the nuclear family. Here we can say that when suppose the same family, when it was living with a when it had been living with a joint family with all the grandparent, the uncle, aunt, they used to take care. Okay, they used to share they used to share the taking care of the children. Okay, that mindset it will be changed completely. Next, family members, particularly mothers, may have tendency to burn out from attempting to meet every person's need alone. Here what happens, family members, particularly mothers, we can say that there is husband, wife and the children. Suppose the man is working outside, mother has to take everything alone. She has a more responsibility than the father. That is leaving out the children to school, going to market, such all things. Okay, and even working alone in a home. Here what happens, she may have more stress, mother may have more stress to meet every person's need alone because she has to work alone, isn't it? Next, nuclear families can begin to develop like-minded thinking, which will lead to fewer arguments within the family unit. Okay, here what happens, here the thought of a person, sometimes what happened, which will lead to fewer arguments within the family. Sometimes what happens, like suppose mother and father both are working. Suppose they both are working, they both are sharing, but sometimes it happens that due to stress and all, such arguments will create in their mind. Okay, like-minded thinking, which means you are working, I am also working, then why should I do this work? It happens sometimes. Okay, so then what happens, you have to take out, sometimes you have to cook, sometimes I will cook. It happens that sometimes father may accept it, may not accept it. So what happens, fewer arguments within the family unit. Okay, hope the concept is very clear to you, and by this information, let me conclude our video, and in next online class let us study about the new concept. Thank you, children.